Bonds Investment, How to Register to Bonds.ph. And kung bago ka sa channel na to and gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na katulad nito, please click the subscribe button. So ngayon mag-register ako sa Bonds.ph. Maganda na meron kang app nito para mas madali yung pag-invest sa bonds. And also kung may mga updates about future offerings ng bonds, makikita mo rin yon within the app. And since ang gamit ko ngayong phone is an Android phone, ida-download ko yung app sa Play Store. Kung ang gamit nyo is Apple products like iPhone, pumunta kayo dun sa App Store para ma-download nyo yung app ng Bonds.ph. Type ko rito Bonds.ph. And ito siya. And I'll tap install. So, na-download ko na yung Bonds.ph. So, I'll open this. So, i-close ko muna to. And na-install na dito yung Bonds.ph na app. So, pagka-open ko nung app, it's asking me to enter my email address for login. And since wala pa akong account with Bonds.ph, I'll tap this sign up. And i-provide ko lang yung first name, last name, email address, and yung active na mobile number ko. And tap sign up. And for PIN, ikaw yung gagawa ng sarili mong PIN. Importante na wag mo ito makakalimutan. Kasi gagamitin mo to every time magkakaroon ka ng transaction using Bonds.ph. So, i-enter ko lang yung PIN. So, nag-send down ng verification email sa email address ko. And na-receive ko na yung email from unionbank@bonds.ph. And sabi rito, kailangan kong i-click yung button dito sa baba. And yung link na to is mag-expire daw within 24 hours. So, I'll tap this confirm email address. So, balik ako sa bonds.ph. And tap ko tong back to login. And mag-login ako dito. And enter ko lang dito yung code na na-receive ko. And verify mobile number. And also yung PIN na ginawa ko kanina. Ito naman siya. So, nakapag-register na tayo sa bonds.ph, pero hindi pa verified yung account natin. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo pa magagamit fully yung bonds.ph na app, hindi ka pa makakapag-invest, hindi ka pa makakapag-cash out, and also hindi ka makakapag-cash in. So, try natin yon. So, tap ko tong cash in. And sabi dito, you're not yet verified. Verify your identity to make the most of your account. So, I'll tap this start verification. So, hindi siya nag-scroll down. Instead, ang gagawin ko is start account verification. And ito yung terms and conditions. Scroll down ko lang to or tap ko tong baba. And check this I agree and accept and click confirm. And scroll down ko rin. Check this one as well and confirm. And step 2 na tayo. So, tap ko tong proceed to step 2. So, dito sa step 2, merong 5 another step. For step 1, personal, ilalagay ko yung information ko rito. And then, sa the next step, yung address, employment, and mag-upload din ako ng ID. Dapat valid ID siya. So, for personal information, kumpletuhin ko lang yung details ko dito. And for government ID, nung tinap ko tong select, ang hinihingi dito most likely is yung SSS number mo, or GSIS number mo, or yung TIN number mo. Sa akin, ilagay ko yung SSS, and lagay ko dito yung SSS number ko. And ito na siya. And nakompleto ko na yung details. I'll tap the next button. So, lagay ko dito yung present address ko, kung saan ako currently nakatira. Sa mga kababayan nating OFW na nasa ibang bansa, ang ilalagay nyo rito is kung ano yung address nyo sa Pilipinas, hindi yung address nyo sa ibang bansa or saan kayo tumutuloy. So, again, yung Philippine address nyo, yung ilalagay nyo dito. And by default, naka-check na yung this is also my permanent address. So, sa akin, ganun yung case ko. Pareho lang yung present address ko sa permanent address ko. Kung sa inyo magkaiba yung present address nyo, like nangungupahan kayo, tapos anilagay yung address dito, yung inuupahan nyo. Pero, iba naman yung permanent address nyo. Kailangan yung i-uncheck and lagay nyo rito yung permanent address ninyo. So, sa akin, same lang naman. And scroll down ko to. And tap ko yung next na button. For third stage na, employment records. So, employment type, ilagay nyo rito kung employed ba kayo, retired, or self-employed, either business or professional. I think for self-employed professional, ito yung mga freelancers. And for work, business contact number, and work business email address, optional lang naman yung nakalagay dito. So, hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng information. And nakompleto ko na yung stage 3 for employment records. So, I'll tap next. And for stage 4, dito na tayo mag-upload ng IDs. And for upload ID, dalawa yung gagawin mo dito. First, i-upload mo yung valid ID mo. And ito yung list of valid ID na tinatanggap nila. And second, mag-selfie ka naman together with your ID. May mga rules dito na yung photo daw should be in a presentable attire. And also yung entire face mo dapat visible siya dun sa pagkaka-selfie. Tatanggalin mo rin yung any accessories like glasses. Ako kasi may salamin ako, so tinanggal ko siya during selfie. And dapat malinaw din yung pagkakakuha ng photo. Hindi siya madilim and dapat malinaw din. Hindi blurry yung ID dun sa photo. And of course, bawal ka gumamit ng any existing picture na na-save mo locally or hindi rin pwede yung nasa computer yung photo and pipicturean mo lang from there. So, I'll tap the next button. And fifth stage na tayo. So, re-reviewin mo lang ng details na nandito. So, may option ka rito na i-edit siya. Kung itatap mo tong edit button, like kung nagkamali ka ng spelling ng name mo or ibang details like hindi pala tama yung birthday mo, pwede mo siyang i-edit dito. So, kanina hindi ko nilagyan ng work contact number and work email address. By default, nilagyan nila ng N/A. It means not applicable. And tap ko tong next na button. And review ko lang ulit. Ito yung ID ko, ito yung selfie ko. So, pwede mo tong i-edit ulit or i-retake. Like, gusto mo mag-upload ng panibagong picture or ng selfie. Pwede yon. So, okay na sa akin to. I'll click submit. And sabi dito, we are now reviewing your application. So, try ko yung proceed to step 3. So, scroll down ko to. And check ko to and click confirm. And investors undertaking. So, pwede nyong basahin to. Pero sa akin, I'll go ahead and click confirm. Have you bought treasury bonds through Union Bank before? Nakabili na ako ng bonds before pero gamit is Security Bank and Land Bank. So, I'll tap no and click confirm. Thank you. The result of account verification will be sent not later than 12 p.m. on the next business day. So, ngayon is Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday. So, I'll expect na before 12 p.m. or tanghali bukas, dapat may result na to account verification. So, balik ako sa dashboard. And tap ko tong cash in. And obviously, ganun pa rin yung nakuha ko message. Dapat, after ma-verify tong account ko, pwede na ako mag-cash in dito sa Bonds.ph. And yan yung gagawin natin sa next video. You may check this next step para makapag-cash in sa Bonds.ph. And sana nakatulong tong video na to sa inyo. Please let us know by clicking the like button. And kung may other topics kayo naiisip na pwede namin i-share online, please let us know by providing a comment below. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye!